Hi guys, it's Jay. Welcome back to my channel. I am gonna do an unboxing today, so I'm super excited. I literally just got this package in the mail today. Came from FedEx, and I haven't opened it, so obviously. So we're gonna open it together. I'm on the floor, and hopefully I could hang because I'm not very good with sitting on the floor. And then I just hope nobody comes in, which they won't. But I just realized this whole time I've been living here that this door does not lock from the inside. Like, what the heck? But anyway, so this is a big jewelry order that I did because I ran out of almost all of my jewelry, and I did like a big purchase. So we're gonna open it. I'm so excited. So as you guys can tell, they packed this up very good. So let's see. Oh. I was trying to like I pulled up this little table because I was trying to just do it here on the floor, but the camera wouldn't reach, and I'm using my cell phone, so we're just gonna work with it. This came from FedEx, and I was not expecting it today because the tracking like got delayed and it wasn't updating on the app. But I was like, what the hell? But I kind of figured something was wrong with it because every time my vendor sends me stuff, like it always gets here very quick. So I'm like, oh, I don't know. So I wasn't expecting it today, and then I hear them knocking at my door, and I was like, I literally had to run all the way downstairs because if not, they leave. But the FedEx guy, I think he kind of realized that I get a lot of stuff, so he kind of waits for me sometimes, which is nice of him. Ay, Dios mío. All right, guys, I just opened most of it. I'm trying to move because I can't sit, guys. Like, I'm not good at sitting on the floor. I have some boxes here. I'm gonna try to. Oh, that's better. All right, I think that's better. Let's move that table. Oh, okay, much better. All right. So like I said, it's a bunch of jewelry, and I'm so excited. So I kind of I'm gonna show you what's in here, and then that way you guys can get like a sneak peek of what I'm gonna add on the website, and then you guys can like kind of see it, not in person but in the video, of what it's gonna look like. So these are earrings, and I got a bunch of different things. Earrings, bracelets, all kinds of stuff. Oh, these are cute. So these are earrings. There's some gold hoop earrings. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna take them out and show them all to you guys. Oh yeah, these are cute. See? They're like gold chain hoops. Super cute. And they're pretty sturdy. All right. So those are that. Obviously when I'm done with the video, I'm gonna check everything and make sure I got like all the quantities that I got. So that bag is just full with all of those. So we'll put that there. Oh, there's a necklace. I love this little necklace. Let me bring this a little further. There it goes. It looks a little different than the picture. Oh no. Wait. Oh, I guess that's how it is. Oh, this one's pretty. So this is a little, it's a little nopalito necklace. It's so cute. But I don't know if you guys can tell, like, it's a little curved. Can you see? And I guess I didn't think it was gonna be curved, which is fine. But that's that one. It's cute. This one I only got in gold. I think that's all they had. Let me try to get a little bit closer. There we go. So cute. All right. I think I have a lot of stuff in here. So if you guys like the long videos, then you'll be happy. Okay, next. Oh, these are earrings. Let's do these. Is this broken? Oh no. I guess you have to clip it yourself. All right, hold on, guys. All right. So these are earrings. These are so cute. They're little leopard heart earrings, and they actually have like the little fur on the earring. So cute. And they kind of they have like a little hoop, so they kind of dangle on your ear. Those are cute. And I think those are only in one color. Yeah, that's it. So I think I'm gonna be saying everything's cute, so sorry, but everything's cute. And then in case you're wondering, I usually get like a dozen of each, so there's like 12 of each little thing, pretty much. Okay, next. Ooh, these are pretty, these earrings. Here we go. Ooh. So we have these. Let me take them out. Oh, these are nice. Let me show you. These are nice and blingy. There we go. I'm trying to get it to focus. All right, so is that? Sorry guys. I don't think I have the face tracking on my iPhone, so like it's not moving along with me. These are very cute. So these are in silver. And let me show you how they'll look like that. So cute. And even though they look like super blingy, they're actually very lightweight. So that's that. All right. So again, there's 12 in there. Ugh, I'm already getting tired. I am not good with sitting on the floor. Like, I don't know how some of you girls like do long videos on the floor. Like, I can't. Okay. All right, next. What is this? Oh, there's a bracelet. All right. Oh, this one's nice. So this is actually a stainless steel bracelet. Let's take it out. Oh, this is pretty. Look, guys. It has like little hearts and then a little crucecita right there. You see? So pretty. And then let me try to, oh shoot. Let me try to put it on so you guys can see. Look. Can you guys see? That's pretty. You could tell this is stainless steel because like the quality just feels so good on it. That's so cute. All right. So that one again, there's 12 in there. So like I said, I usually do get 12 because I don't know, it's just good to have 12, I think. I don't know. Like I'm not gonna get 5 or 6. Well, sometimes I will get 6. But I think 12 is good. Oh my god. These are gonna be it, guys. I'm keeping one of these for myself for sure. These are nice. All right, so these are stainless steel. Let me show you. Look at this. Aren't those pretty? Oh my gosh. So these I picked in gold and silver too. Let me show you the silver. Mira. Oh my god, these are bomb. These are stainless steel, so oh my god, I don't know if I want gold or silver, but I'm a gold person. Let me see. How do you put this on? Oh, there it goes. So it just kind of looks like that, and then just clip it on. Oh my god, love it. Look. I'm trying to get close, but my back is starting to hurt. Look it. I love this. All right, I'm definitely keeping a gold one. I might keep a silver one for myself. These are very good quality, guys. Oh yeah. Ahora cómo se quita. Ay. There it goes. Sorry if I keep slipping like Spanish words in there, but I speak Spanish very fluently, so sorry. Let me know if you guys speak Spanish. Freaking hot, dude. It's been like 95, almost 100 degrees here in Cali, and I can't. Love those. Oh my god, like this box is still full, guys. My back is hurting. All right, what's next? Jeez, there's a lot of stuff. All right, let me try to hurry. I think these are ankle bracelets. Why does this? That thing says Shein. Isn't that like a popular brand that just came out? I don't know why it has that. What the hell? Oh, they're so cute. These are little butterflies. Oh, this is cute. Look, guys. I think. Oh no, yeah, because I had bought another similar. I think I have a similar one that's a bracelet, but or a necklace was it? I don't remember. But this one is the anklet. Let me check. Oh yeah, that's cute. Should I show you guys? I don't really. I did my toes, okay? That's cute. They're little butterflies. This would be cute for the summer. Okay. Gotta hurry up, gotta hurry up. All right. So those are in there. I can't. Okay. Next, we have earrings. So these are some hoop cross earrings, like a little crucecita. These I got in gold and silver. And then I hate, you have to like put it together. All right. So these are little hoop cross earrings. Those are cute. So those are gonna dangle like that. These are cute. I'd wear these. And they don't feel heavy either. Cute. And then I also got them in silver. So they're in there. I'm not gonna take them out because I feel like this video is so long already. But they come in silver. So put these back in. So that was those. Now, ooh, this necklace. Evil eye necklace. I went crazy on this. I bought a lot of stuff, but again I sold out on everything, so I didn't have anything else. Oh, this one's nice. I always check the chain because sometimes they're like super cheap y no me gustan, but this one's cute. All right, so this is an evil eye necklace. Cute. It's gold and it has like a little bling in there. I like this one. Let me put it on. This one's pretty. All right. Next. So that's that one. Oh my god, there's still a bunch of crap in here. Ugh. Okay. Next. Oh, girl. I got some big hoops, guys. Oh my god, they're huge. Where are my big hoop girls at? Dang, girl. Look, these are huge. Are they too big? I think some girls will buy them. They also come in gold. I got gold also. What do you think? Do you guys like the big hoops? I may have got them a little too big. But a lot of girls were asking me for big hoops, so that's a big hoop girl. Oh yeah, they're cute. All right. Okay. What is this? Oh, these are, what is this? Oh, they just put all the necklaces in here. All right. So we have, we're like 25 minutes in already, guys. Do you guys mind the long videos, or you guys don't like? I personally like watching long videos. Ooh, this one's pretty. A ver. Oh yeah. Can you guys see that? But look, it's like a layered necklace, and it has this little one, then this, and then this one with the little cross. It's cute, it's cute. All right. I don't know if I got it in gold and silver, but I don't think I did. They put a bunch of different necklaces in here. Oh, I did get it in silver. So it comes in silver too, guys. Okay, this one. This one's different. Ow. All right, so this one is also layered. Oh, this one's cute. So this one has a butterfly. I think I gotta turn it. There we go. Has a butterfly and like a little pendant here. Like a little teardrop pendant. This one's cute. Cute. How many times did I say cute? So that one also comes in gold. Ahí está. I'm not gonna take them out because I'm taking forever. Okay, those are all the same. So is this. Oh, okay. Ooh, butterflies. So I got a bunch of butterfly kind of inspired. Well, not inspired. I got a lot of butterfly jewelry because I don't know, I noticed they were in. Oh, this one's cute. I have good style, guys. Let me open it. Oh my gosh. So this is like a little choker. Mira. And it's little butterflies dangling. That is so cute. Yeah. Let me show it to you guys up close. And then this one I also got in silver. So it has little silver butterflies. Get cute. So those were all those necklaces. All right, next. Okay, we're almost done. What is this? We're almost done, and watch me be here for like another hour. This, I think this is an anklet. Little ankle bracelet. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, this is cute. The little anklet has little stars. How cute. So that's in gold. Yeah. I don't know if the butterfly one was an anklet then. The other one I showed you. But it fit me like an anklet. All right. Oh, I got some rings. I don't really buy rings because, like, I don't know, you know, what sizes to get. This one, it said it was adjustable, which is why I got it. So hopefully it is. Oh, it's like a rose gold. So it's a little evil eye ring. Oh yeah, you could make it smaller. See? That's cute or whatever. Oh, I'm like, what the hell is this? So these are some earrings. They're like ¿cómo se dice? Like fringy. Should I open it? I guess I can open it. I have them in black, yellow, and pink. Well, that's cool that they come sealed, because the fringe does kind of fall off sometimes. Cute. So see, has a little fringe, and then little, it's like little, yeah, it's like a little rose. So they're kind of like that. Cute. Next. Ooh, necklace. So we got some more evil eye necklaces. I'll show you. Oh wait, this is a bracelet. My bad. It's a bracelet. Oh, this is cute. So this is an adjustable bracelet. If you can see, the little backing is adjustable. So it has a little evil eye. Oh, I suck. There it goes. So you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want. Oh, I like this one. I don't know why I like bracelets así that like dangle. I love them. Oh, this is pretty because it's thin, so you could like stack it with other ones. Very pretty. All right, that's that. All right, so I got 3 adjustable ones. That was one. This is another. Ugh. Oh, this one's pretty. So this one's adjustable too. And this is how this one looks. Has like the little rainbow colors on them. Can you see? There it goes. This one's pretty. And the other one is a little, oh, it's a little manita. This is the same, adjustable, and it has a little manita. See? All right. I just have a few more pieces and I'm done. Oh, I got these. I forgot. Oh. So these are little evil eye bracelets. I'm sure you guys saw that I just posted like a bunch of these. And I had forgot I bought these. These are cute. These are cool though because they're all blue. The little evil eye. And they're tiny. So that's how that one looks. I was trying to find red, but I could not find red, so I had to get the blue. So those are in there. All right, 2 more items and we're done. Okay, so I got a bunch of little butterfly necklaces. These were so cute. Oh, move this box. There we go. All right, so this is a little butterfly necklace. Look how cute that is. And then that one's pink, and it also comes in yellow, We got like a light blue. What else? Is that it? Oh, and I got black and white. I got a bunch of different colors. And then the earrings. Last thing, guys. They're just matching earrings to the necklace. So we have black. There's the pink ones. Blue. There's a bunch. I bet. Let me take one out. Oh, these are cute. They're so little. Look. So these kind of dangle on your ear right there. You see? That's cute. I'll wear these for sure, like for the summer. All right, that is everything that's in there. Let me put this away and put these back in here. That's it, guys. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of stuff. Let me ow. I am so done with sitting on this floor. All right, so that is a lot of jewelry, guys. I need to go back and make sure I got like all the quantities that I ordered, and then I need to take pictures of every single item for the website and for my Instagram. And then I need to go to my website and upload every single product, give them names, price them, all of that. So that's gonna take a while. So today is Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. So my goal is to have them up by Friday. Maybe Friday, if not Monday. So I'm gonna try to get these up by Friday, but at least you guys got a little sneak peek of the items. Like I said, I still have to go back and check everything. Let me show you guys where I've been sitting and why I've been dying over here. All right, so see, I didn't make that much of a mess, guys, but I've been sitting on this floor and I can't, like, I can't. So I have to literally like go back and check everything. So, oh, there's my desk, by the way. So again, I have to go back, check everything, and hopefully I can have them up by Friday, like I said. And if you guys are watching this video and you have like name suggestions for any of the pieces, let me know, because I will gladly take them in consideration, because naming things is kind of hard for me. Kind of, not really, but if you have any name suggestions for any of the pieces, let me know. But other than that, that is it, guys. I will list my website down below in case you're new here and you don't know where to go shop, and my Instagram also. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.